CF at 4 minutes. So, asa man diri, where is the CF 4 minutes? So, no, the this OHRB. So, OHRB for 4 minutes. So, here is the OHRB. Muna siya ang OHRB. Tapos, ano siya? 4 minutes daw. 4 minutes. So, asa man ang 4 minutes? Naa siya, diri. So, OHRB, 4 minutes. Ang iyang number is 0. So, we need to write the 0 here. Put the 0 here. Then plus by this number, which is this already given. So, plus 0.36. Copy? Then,
wait lang, inanin ba? Inanin na ba?
oh, here is the then find the TS, time and TB. So I think
is time man.
yes, time. Soil suspension. The temperature reading what is the acronym of this? Celsius. So, ang TS, kung sa man sa TS, we have here the TS. Is the minute for TS is 20 TS. TS. So, here's the TS, 28. So, put the open parenthesis and close parenthesis here, 28, then copy the minus sign, and for the TB is 27 here, 27. Another. Oh, that is already given by the Then the first one to solve is the first one to solve is according to my I learned in the una jud mo siya i-solve ang naka-open parenthesis o close parenthesis. That's the multiplication. Then una 27 minus
1.
8. So 1. So
ay unahon din mo kani.
Copy the 0 plus 0.36. Then parenthesis that.
Okay.
The next is plus the 0 plus the 0 point. Oh yes. I said earlier that make sure that your calculator is already
0 plus 0.36.
I think that is same lang. 0.36. So 0.36 times 1. 0. Yeah. Times 1. Can you 0.36 times 1? I think that is also same lang. So the result is 0.36. Nakuha na natin sa dili ang first. The next is the CHR equals OHR C minus CF. So, kami na kanila OHRS minus CF. Then copy the CHR for minutes and like this. So, the first is Wala na yan. Ay nga na tayo.
Wala kang attendance.
Picture na tayo.
Ay, night time. Ah, mga 0